Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the COVID case and a questionnaire. Once you make a booking on your diary, a pre-screening questionnaire link will be sent via SMS and/or email to the patient. Looking at the different indicators on the patient's booking, you will see the questionnaire indicator as it has been set up. Notice that this indicator is grey as this questionnaire has not yet been completed by the patient. In the patient's SMS and/or email, they will find the link to the questionnaire. Once the patient clicks on this link, they will be redirected to their MyGC account, where the questionnaire will automatically open. The patient will complete the form, and once they're done, they will click on the Send button. The form will then be submitted to the doctor. Take note that the questionnaire indicator on the patient's booking has changed color. The color will change according to the risk calculated from their answers. Green will indicate a low risk, yellow will indicate a warning, and red will indicate a high risk.